Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide online status on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide online status on Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening a Viber app, guys, in order to hide your online status on Viber, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-dotted icon where it says more. Tap on that three-dotted icon at the bottom right and tap on settings on this interface and tap on privacy option available for us just below the account, and you will land over here where it says the share online status. It's the second one. If there's a tick mark available at the circle at the right side of the share online status, tap on it guys and it will be unticked, and then like mine it will be unticked like mine, and then your online status on Viber will be hidden. And guys, this is how to hide online status on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.